This is a quick video on how to upload the files for the AutoTrader and the trade copier. Real quick and easy. Just go to Tools, click on Tools, Import, NinjaScript Add-on. Click on that, and then it's going to bring up wherever your main home page, and if you saved it to your desktop, it's usually there. So you're going to click on the correct file. I'm going to load this one first. As you see, it says it has successfully imported all scripts, so just hit OK. Then I'm going to go back to Tools, Import, NinjaScript Add-on. And this time I'm going to import the other file. Once it is imported, once again, I'll get that it was successfully imported, hit OK, and now those are going to be available to use in your strategies.